Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. In this video I will talk about an app that allows you to listen to two songs separately at the same time. This is a very useful application for earphone users. Let's start the video. First you have to go to Google Play Store, then go to the search option and type Split Cloud. Then install and open. Then try playing the song, your work is done. If you like this video, you must like, comment and share.